In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pull crypto prices in Google Sheets. Vertical bar Google Sheets tutorial. Easy. To start, I want to show you the easiest way to pull crypto prices into a spreadsheet, using the built-in Google Finance function in Google Sheets. This method is fast and requires no setup, but it is limited to a small list of major cryptocurrencies. The format is simple. In any empty cell, type the formula equals Google Finance. Then in parentheses, add the currency pair you want in quotes. For example, you can type equals Google Finance, open parentheses, quote currency, colon BTC USD, quote close parentheses. Once you press enter, the cell will populate with the current Bitcoin price in US dollars. You can repeat the same pattern for other supported coins. Ethereum and a few other large coins work the same way, as long as Google Finance supports that symbol. Now let us apply this directly in a sheet. Open your Google Sheets file where you want the crypto prices to appear. Click into the cell where you want the first price to show up. Type the Google Finance formula for your chosen crypto pair, then press enter to confirm. Give it a moment to load. If it takes a few seconds, that is normal. Next, highlight the cell that contains the working formula. This makes it easy to reuse the same structure. With that cell highlighted, click again to make sure the cell is selected and ready to copy or drag. Then click once more on the same highlighted cell area so you can grab the small fill handle, the tiny square at the bottom right corner of the selection. From here, you can drag down or across to apply the same formula pattern to nearby cells, then adjust the ticker inside each formula as needed. A quick tip: if you ever see an error, double-check the text inside the quotes. The prefix should be currency, followed by a colon, then the coin symbol and the fiat currency symbol like BTC USD. Also remember that this method may not work for smaller altcoins or newer tokens, since the Google Finance crypto list is limited. And that is all there is to it.